Naimbag nga aldaw, ken rabi tayo amin padak nga Ilocano itinterot lubong, ket here's a special request from afar. Manipod kini Kabsat Kathy Cabal Salvador of Hawaii. Kut kunana, happy birthday cousin Edeline. You are my best friend. We're connected by family, but I feel heaven sent me a sister instead. So, I'm sending you the happiest birthday wishes from afar. Salamat sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa amin ni Ronald. Sa katapatan mo sa obligasyon na binigay ko sa iyo. Huwag kang mag-alala. Marami pa akong ipapagawa sa iyo, kunana. Here is a request, kunana, ni Kabsat Kathy. Masaya ka na, sana ko na. And peace, kunana, bit nga rod. So, Kabsat Kathy Salvador, thank you very much for, aduti na ipapaay mo for the duo from intellectual and emotional and financial support. Thank you very much, Kabsat Kathy.
Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. The smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss, the way you whisper in the dark, your hair all around me, baby, you surround me, you touch every place in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time, every time. I wanna spend my whole night in your arms. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, oh, every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.